Good morning.
I'm Allison Parker, venue owner at L&L Farm.
And I'm Lindy Parker. I am this one's daughter and currently employed by her.
So, follow along on our day-to-day ventures in building a venue.
Okay, Momager. What do we have to do today?
Well, first things first. What do you want for breakfast? Even though it's almost noon. What should we eat for breakfast?
Well, I did wake up an hour ago, so from you, might I add.
Okay, let's go get a generic bagel, egg, bacon, and cheese sandwich from that place that sells donuts.
But when we get there,
What's on the agenda?
yeah.
We're going to work on setting up the bridal suite where they get ready. They obviously have the run of the farmhouse, but they need a separate bedroom where they can change clothes. And so we're going to be setting up, we're going to move the furniture around, make room for a couple of swivel stools and put some mirrors on the wall.
For makeup.
Yeah, for makeup. Hair and makeup. We got to pull some existing furniture out, so we've got to go through it, and I don't know, you know that big armoire that's been in our family for a long time? I kind of think it's time to go to the dump with that.
We're here. So give me some updates. What we got going on?
We got grass seed coming up. We got landscaping to go in.
What's all this? Where's this going?
Well,
Oh.
that's what we're currently figuring out, whether it goes here, around the barn. We've got more to buy, but that's not all of it. So, want to come inside? Welcome. We've got to move all this furniture around. We've got to clean that armoire out and pull everything out of it, find a new home, and get it out of here. Because it's not going to go in here. It's not going to work. The makeup stations will go on this wall. This obviously needs to move. That will go on that wall under the TV.
Cool.
So we'll have plenty of wall space for mirrors, swivel stool, room to change clothes, a place to hang things up. I've got another one of those too. And just need to go out and buy some fluffy, foofy stuff.
Okay. All right, let's do it. Time to move it. I think it's gonna break. Do you hear that? It did break. Uh-oh. That's a party foul right there. You need help?
I'm trying not to breathe.
These can go right.
Yep. Take your rubber. This took me forever.
Took you forever. This was all me. This is staying, but these are leaving.
These go in the groom's room.
This is staying, right?
Minus the can lights, the box.
Okay, what do we do?
Can lights will be installed in the ceiling.
Our work day is over.
I'm tired. It looks good. We've got a good start. Now we've got to go buy stools and mirrors. What else? Maybe some little tables.
We've decided to start the vlog, our work vlog, so that we could keep everybody updated on our progress.
Yeah.
Any other words, Momager?
No, I think I'm just tired.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Bye.
See you next time.
Pull some existing furniture out.
What was that girl doing?
I don't know.
We can't advertise Dunkin' Donuts.
Why?
No free brand deals. You're killing me. Did I what?
Saving a baby bird today.
Probably not.
Better than leaving it inside the barn.
Yeah, but in the attempt to move all of these baby birds, they were covered in bugs. And I can feel every one of them crawling up and down my legs. They're in my clothes. They're definitely. Ah! Scout! Grandma over here had to slam on the brakes. I'm sure we'll see one here in a second. I'll be able to point it out to you.
Don't get those in my truck.
Oh, they're definitely in here now.